Setting up a MoneyGram online transfer begins with creating your account. You can register using either your email address or phone number on the MoneyGram website or mobile app. Next, you'll need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID. This verification process typically takes 24 to 48 hours to complete, ensuring secure and compliant transfers. Once verified, select your recipient's country and choose from multiple delivery options. You can send money for cash pickup at over 350,000 locations worldwide, direct bank deposit, mobile wallet transfer, or home delivery in select markets. Enter your recipient's complete information, then select how you want to fund the transfer. You can pay using your bank account, debit card, or credit card, each with different processing times and fees. Before completing your transfer, carefully review the fees and exchange rates. MoneyGram provides transparent pricing so you know exactly what your recipient will receive. Once you're satisfied, authorize the payment to process your transfer. After payment authorization, you'll receive a unique reference number to track your transfer. The recipient is automatically notified, and you can monitor the transfer status using MoneyGram's tracking system online or through the mobile app. MoneyGram's online platform makes international money transfers simple and secure. From account setup to delivery confirmation, the entire process is designed for convenience while maintaining the highest security standards for your financial transactions. Understanding MoneyGram's fee structure is crucial for optimizing your transfers. Fees range from $1.99 to $49.99 depending on the transfer amount and destination country. Bank transfers typically cost 15 to 25% less than cash pickup options. However, if you fund your transfer with a credit card, you'll pay an additional 2.9% processing fee. MoneyGram provides a rate calculator tool that helps you compare different delivery methods and see exact costs before sending. This tool shows fees, exchange rates, and delivery times for each option. Security is paramount when sending money online. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your account. This requires both your password and a code from your mobile device. Exchange rates fluctuate constantly and can significantly impact the amount your recipient receives, especially for large transfers. Monitor rates and consider timing your transfer when rates are favorable. To optimize your MoneyGram transfers, compare delivery methods using the rate calculator, choose bank transfers for lower fees, enable security features like two-factor authentication, and monitor exchange rates for large transfers. Always verify recipient information and keep your reference number for tracking.